Showers and Rain by Michael Lee Johnson. I like to see you in showers, shadows, memories, final hours that end this rain. Daisies reveal your simple secrets, yellow perverted pleasures, complicated often unseen mysteries like COVID-19 virus. Forget your sins and dance with me. All petals at some point fall in seas and come to despair. Same as a desperate ending. I focus on memories now. Represent all short stories shared. A poem or two no one will remember. A Hemingway legacy funeral. One family member, one suicide at a time.